El moment d'anunciar que aquesta serà la meva última temporada al Barça. Ha estat un camí inolvidable. Des de petit, quan venia a veure els partits o els seguia per la tele, sempre vaig somiar en poder jugar amb aquesta samarreta i en aquest estadi. Però la realitat ha superat tot el que vaig somiar.
Sergio Busquets, Spanish and FC Barcelona attacking midfielder here, announces retirement after 18 years at Barcelona Football Club. As today he has officially announced that he is just decided to retire from playing football. And in fact, Sergio Busquets was just one among of the fantastic, one among of the historical maker, and one among of the important player on the squad of the Barcelona Football Club for the past 2 decades. And in fact, today officially, and it has been confirmed by the club that Sergio Busquets is no longer the player of the Barcelona Football Club, and he's just now decided to retire. And for sure, Sergio Busquets will be remembered due to his, of course, the faithful and incredible work over the stadium. Different sports celebrities, different sports mates of the Sergio Busquets has congratulated him for taking this decision, especially the champion of the world, I mean Lionel Messi, the God, the greatest of all time, has also been saying that all the best legend, all the best player, Sergio Busquets, and officially now, and it has also been confirmed by the club that Sergio Busquets has been retired from playing football, and this time around he has played almost 700 games with Barcelona Football Club, and he has done so many incredible things. He has created a lot of histories, and today his journey is just ended, as he is just no longer the player of the Barcelona Football Club. This is just an official statement. Unforgettable Sergio Busquets announces retirement after